I'm not in a good place. All right, Vince, thanks. That's Vincent, who owns a music store and says I've inspired a lot of people to play the guitar. And they're all probably better than me already.
I was watching this comedian the other day. I really should learn her name. And she said, I don't want to be an inspiration.
Yeah.
An inspiration means you have a story.
That's funny. By the way, I'm watching Jeffrey Ross's special that's coming out. He's got a comedy special coming out. It's fantastic. It hasn't come out yet, so don't look for it. But he's coming on the show next Wednesday, and I'm looking forward to that. Mike from Maryland, you're on the air. Another Mike. I'm telling you, on my staff, there are 15 guys named Mike. I don't know any of their names. I just go, hey, Mike, how you doing? And before you know it, they all say hello. You got Mike Perlman, Mike Trainer, Mike Fistigat.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, Howard. First time, long time. Hey, I stumbled over an artist that when I heard him, I thought of you and your guitar, Junior.
Wait, I lost you. Hello. I lost you. I only heard the first two words.
Hey, Howard. Can you hear me now?
I hear you.
Hey, sorry. Hey, I stumbled over an artist and I thought of you. His guitar playing is masterful. His name's Stephen Wilson Jr. And he does a cover of Stand By Me among other songs. The tone of his guitar is beautiful.
I watch him all the time. I'm a huge fan of Stephen Wilson Jr. I don't know who this guy is. He wears a baseball. He looks like a bigger hillbilly than Richard. But this motherfucker can play and sing like nobody's business. He is so good, Stephen Wilson Jr. I'm a huge fan of that guy. You know, he's one of those guys, like, you know, when you put on, like, America's Got Talent and some schlub walks out, and he looks like he's ready to keel over. You know, you're like, there's something wrong with this guy. And all of a sudden he's like, hello, man. You know, like, serious.
Oh, yeah.
And, yeah, and I was like, I should bring him in. And I'm like, nobody